Hello and welcome to the weekly wrap. So of course the main event this week was definitely that FOMC decision. So heading into the race, a lot of the focus was on the potential presence or absence of the patient phrase in the FOMC statement, which was a phrase they ultimately chose to remove. However, overall the release actually had a more dovish slant, with the Fed saying they want to see a pickup in inflation and unemployment before they lift off rates. So this has subsequently seen the median Fed funds rate expectation for the end of 2015 now at 0.625% from the previous 1.125% that we did see heading into the release, with markets now just pricing a 23% probability of a liftoff in July compared to the 39% that we did see heading into the release. So just in terms of the overall market reaction, we did see a spike high in euro-dollar of around 400 pips, with dollar-yen for around 200 pips, as well as strength seen in equities and fixed income markets. On Thursday though, we did see markets pause for breath and pair a bulk of this moves. However, today on Friday we have seen this trend very much continue, with euro-dollar and cable very much seeing a lot of upside, and fixed income markets and equity markets also benefiting, with sentiment for euro also further bolstered by some relatively upbeat comments for once regarding the Greece and Eurogroup negotiations, whereby Greece are to submit a list of reform proposals in the near term, and also to make their latest payment to the IMF today. And we have seen some relatively upbeat comments from some of the other European leaders regarding Greece, so it looks as if progress is very much on the horizon, so definitely something to watch for there heading into next week. So finally, just wrapping up for other central banks, it's once again been a very busy week. So just to name a few, we saw the Riksbank in an unscheduled and unexpected announcement cut rates further by 15 basis points to minus 0.25%, as well as increasing the scope of their bond buy and purchase programme. The S&P, they did keep rates on hold as expected. However, we did see a bit of strengthening in the Swiss franc, as some participants had expected them to cut rates further. The Norges Bank, they unexpectedly actually kept rates on hold, which subsequently saw a significant bout of strengthening in the Norwegian krone against the euro. And an interesting one for the BOE this week, so we did see BOE's Haldane suggest the BOE should actually consider a rate cut, so very much outing himself as the dove on the MPC, which subsequently did see a bout of weakness in sterling on Thursday's session. But other than that, it hasn't been the busiest one in the marketplace, even though there's been quite a lot of volatility in the market. That's all from me, and I hope everyone has a fantastic weekend.